Kitchen Trends 2024. Modern kitchen design ideas for your renovation. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on the latest kitchen trends for 2024. If you're planning a kitchen renovation or simply seeking inspiration to upgrade your culinary space, this article is your go-to resource. With a focus on modern kitchen design, we will delve into various aspects such as remodeling, decor, appliances, cabinets, and countertops. Let's dive in. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Sleek minimalism. In 2024, modern kitchen design trends continue to embrace sleek minimalism. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a minimalist color palette are the defining elements of this style. Opt for kitchen cabinets with hidden handles, concealed storage solutions, and open shelving to create a streamlined and clutter-free environment. Smart appliances. The integration of smart technology into kitchen appliances is gaining popularity. From refrigerators with built-in touchscreens to voice-activated ovens, these innovative appliances offer convenience and efficiency. Consider investing in smart appliances that can be controlled remotely, saving you time and energy. Statement countertops. Make a bold statement with your choice of countertops. In 2024, we see a shift towards unique materials like quartz, granite, and concrete. These materials not only provide durability but also add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Experiment with different patterns, textures, and colors to create a focal point that complements the overall design. Sustainable design. Sustainability remains a key consideration in modern kitchen design. Incorporating eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and recycling stations are essential elements for a greener kitchen. Consider using reclaimed wood for cabinets, installing LED lighting, and opting for water-saving faucets to reduce your environmental footprint. Creative storage solutions. Maximizing storage space is crucial in modern kitchen design. Utilize innovative storage solutions such as pull-out pantry shelves, corner drawers, and hidden compartments to optimize every inch of your kitchen. Customizable cabinets and adjustable shelving allow you to adapt the storage layout to your specific needs, ensuring a clutter-free and organized space. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. As we approach 2024, modern kitchen design trends continue to evolve, offering homeowners exciting opportunities for kitchen remodeling and renovation. Embrace the sleek minimalism, incorporate smart appliances, choose statement countertops, prioritize sustainability, and make use of creative storage solutions. By combining these elements, you can create a modern kitchen that is not only visually stunning but also functional and tailored to your needs. Let your imagination flow and transform your kitchen into a space that reflects your style and personality.